No way I'm gonna die a virgin! Alright, PigglesDiGaijin here. Welcome to my story time. Now, I'm telling a story about when I was back in high school, right? Many years ago. Yeah, I'm that old. Right. I was in about the 10th grade and I was doing my regional exams, which is the CXC or CSEC. Everybody who's in the Caribbean has that set of exams to do in the 11th grade. So I was doing CXC English exam. I don't even think I told my mother and father about this. Did I? Maybe I did, or I don't remember. But yeah, so what happened, we finished the morning paper of the exam. Where the exam center is in a, let's say, kind of garrison or kind of a
in the ghetto
area where it's not. Alright, it was in the ghetto. Look at it, that's fine. Can't matter. Almonton, right? So went to the church hall there, and that's where the exams were taking place. You know, I used to go there pretty often because of my Anglican background, and my father's a priest, so we used to go to that church pretty often. Finished the morning paper, went to go get some food, got some food, came back, finished eating, and we're talking outside, waiting to start the afternoon session. Now, some parents came to stop by to check on their kids to see how they were doing, like, how was the morning exam? Were you okay? One particular parent stayed behind a little longer than everybody else. Now, while talking to my friends, we looked towards the road, and basically there's a chain link fence so we can see right through it. So we see a lot of activity and someone making a beeline to our house, right? A man. After that, we see a jeep drives past and stops down, a police jeep actually, stops further down the road. Anyway, we continue talking. Then all we hear is let me tell you something, Zine, at that point, I lost my ish. Listen, not today, Satan. No way I'm gonna die a virgin. I got a life to live. Let's go.
Let's go.
I took up my feet and I ran the fastest I've run in my entire life. I was so fast, if I was to run against Justin Gatlin, at that point, I could beat him. I couldn't be Bolt, but I could be Justin Gatlin. So after that, the place quiets down. I noticed my friend was inside, but I didn't see his mother anywhere, so I started to worry. So everybody was like, yo, where's your mother?
Yo, where your mother did?
No, she's outside. What? What? Oh boy, I was so scared.
Yo, where did it?
My brother was so scared that he run left his mother. You can imagine? Your mother come to check on you to see how you're doing, and truly a gunshot bust, you run left your mother? I mean, come on, man. Come on, man. Ain't cool. I mean, his mother, he actually, if I remember correctly, I think he actually pushed his mother down beside the car and ran. Man, we didn't stop teasing him for the rest of the year, and it was crazy. I mean, why would you believe your mother? I mean, protect her, right? That's the natural thing to do. Or is it every man for themselves and fight or flight? Yeah, I was safe, everybody else was safe, and then I went and did the exam, and I got a distinction for it. Oh, so what happened? The guy at the police shot, they pulled him out. He was apparently a gunman. They carried him out, and one of his eyes were hanging out of its socket. Yeah, lots of blood and gore. And they put him in a jeep, drove off. Residents were protesting like,
we want justice. I want this. Why? Why them kill XYZ? Them kill Sabe? Them kill Sabe?
Yeah, that's not a pleasant imagery. I don't even know why I'm telling you this story. Yeah, alright. In the comments down below, tell me if you've had a traumatizing experience before an exam or before any major interview. And what did you do? How did you react? How did you handle it? And I'll see you in the next video. Vlog every day in April.